Welcome, scholars, to station number 2. Here we're going to talk about your body paragraphs. You have 3 body paragraphs. So it's body 1, body 2, and body 3. Please keep in mind the connection. Your thesis has 3 reasons, and we have 3 body paragraphs. So you're going to have 1 reason per body paragraph. Like I did, I color-coded the first reason in our intro paragraph if you are just joining the stations. I chose teal to label my first reason. So to do that, to keep it kind of similar and to make sure that I use the same reasons for each body paragraph, reason number 1 is teal, so body paragraph 1 is teal, like this, okay? And then I've also, so again, color coding may be very helpful to you. So if you want to have a different color for each reason, I'd highly suggest it. And then making sure the evidence that you're pulling or like writing from the documents is also that same color. So for example, body paragraph 1, I'm talking about how it's beneficial because people can see the world. And so I'm going to go to document A, which I've already colored teal. But then I've also, if you see, underlined my evidence in the same color. This is going to be used in just a second. But this was used to help create my first reason. And because of that, to help see the world, my quote that I chose, or my sentence, piece of evidence, Pokemon Go addicts roaming the cities actually look up from their screens and acknowledge their surroundings. That's showing you they're seeing the world, they're seeing the things that are around them. So that piece of evidence is actually going to go into our graphic organizer. It's a little less work for you. You just copy it word for word. Here. Okay, so see document A states, and then I copied that sentence because it's my evidence. It's someone stated this, and this is proving my topic sentence. So I know I skipped around a little bit, but this is the easiest part, so I like to start here. Now, your reason in your thesis statement helps to create your topic sentence. So your topic sentence will always start with this frame. Pokemon Go is beneficial because, or is not beneficial because. Every single body paragraph will start with this. I know it's not very original, but to help you guys get the rhythm, every body paragraph starts like this. Then you insert reason number 1 for body paragraph 1. Reason number 2 in body paragraph number 2, and then reason number 3 in body paragraph number 3. So for this one, again, Pokemon Go is beneficial because people can see the world. So if you see that here, I wrote my first reason, and if you look at my thesis, that was my first reason. People can see the world. Okay. Then here is where you get to get creative. Why is this important? How does this show that Pokemon Go is a good thing? So in that article, it talks about seeing landmarks and seeing things that you may not normally see. So for example, what am I going to see by playing Pokemon Go? This has to be in your own words. I'll give you an example. It says, the first sentence stem says, for example. So the evidence says Pokemon Go addicts roaming the cities actually look up from their screens and acknowledge their surroundings. For example, if a player is playing the game in downtown LA, they may see the La Brea Tar Pits, right? Because those are down there in downtown, the La Brea Tar Pits. It also shows the players can find new and exciting things in the real world while playing the game. So what I've done, I've used my own prior knowledge. We learned about this when we watched the videos in English, how we make inferences by what we already know. So tying that into history, we can explain evidence or explain to our reader more based on what we know. So if you've ever been to La Brea Tar Pits, or you've been to the park around the corner where something is really cool, or you have gone to somewhere even far away, it's using your knowledge of the world, or maybe knowledge from our Grow questions, something where you can notice or see the world from a different angle or a different perspective would be perfect here. Because Pokemon Go, as you guys have learned, it tells us, or it shows that you have to travel, you have to walk around and catch all the Pokemon. So in that way, you might have to go to new places, new and exciting places to catch those Pokemon. With those explanations, so again, I wrote them here. Give you guys a second with that. Okay. I gave you 2 sentences here. Now our therefore statement. The therefore statement is very simply just summarizing what we talked about. Okay, so in this one, it's seeing the world. Pokemon Go is beneficial because you can see new and exciting things. Okay, so therefore, Pokemon Go, again, you're using your claim statement. Pokemon Go is beneficial because you, or the player, can see new and exciting things. And there you have it. That's body paragraph number 1. You're going to do the same thing for body paragraph number 2, body paragraph number 3, to help you prepare for your conclusion. I'm not going to go through all 3 of them because, again, it's the same structure. If you need to rewatch this as many times as you need to, you can rewatch it at home, watch it here at school, but it's here to help you. Once you finish this, make sure you go back to the blend space and go through your checklist. Again, that's part of your objective. So your objective is through these stations to complete at least 50% of your DBQ before tonight so you can finish the rest for homework. Again, checklists, make sure you've done that. Rewatch this if you're a little confused. Ask 3 before me, and good luck.